Hello, I'm Graeme. I've been working with farmers since the mid-1990s after training with Alan Savory in New Mexico in 1996. I've been pretty focused on farmer success rather than just training people in what I think they need to know. So what I've found is that it's possible to have a stable, consistently profitable, low-risk business, and that's what I'm going to start this YouTube channel about. You know, everyone's had a go at this, so it's very popular at the moment for blogs and YouTube channels. But specifically, this channel's for people that if you've done some grazing training and still struggling to make that work, if you occasionally run out of grass, if you have weeds and animal health problems, if some of the ideas don't gel with you, like doubling your stocking rate and it hasn't provided the outcomes you want, you know, if trading has not fulfilled its promise and you want more stable profits, then this channel could be for you. So what I'm going to present is how to transform your grazing business so that it's low cost, low risk, profitable, while rapidly restoring your land. I have a real focus on landscape function and ecosystem processes. So there'll be concrete advice and there'll be detailed steps on how to get this to work. It's not easy, there's no sort of shortcuts I've found, but you know, if you want to work on sort of your fencing and water plans and suitable animal types, then this could be for you. Yeah, we'll do it through safe to fail trials, which I introduced from the Cynefin company into regen ag, into grazing management. You know, fencing that works, you know, the correct water infrastructure, those type of things. Then, you know, this could be for you. We'll be able to transform your farm and animals. We're working on definitions with photos and what does the land need to look like, what do you need to monitor. You know, gut fills and dung scores, which I sort of helped bring in and combine into one whole thinking for that. The aim is to produce a community of like-minded people, so probably WhatsApp, you know, if people are interested, weekly webinars, materials, field walks, you know, face-to-face meetings. So that's really what I want to go for. So, you know, there's a lot of advice that's not concrete, you know, and I'm guilty, as like everyone else, of saying things that really aren't helpful, like give the grasses adequate recovery. We'll be talking about hard visual definitions of these type of things. So if you have problems with animal performance, animal health, weeds, running out of grass in dry times, increasing costs, you know, of inputs, fencing and water advice unclear, market price risk too high, then this could be worthwhile. So if the plan is to upload a new podcast once or twice a month, short, less than 10-minute type ones, and if this sounds of interest or you'd just like to dip your toe in the water, either hit subscribe or give me a call and we'll go from there. Thanks for listening. Bye.